In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files that are publicly accessible in Google Drive. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, head over to Google Drive. This is where all of your stored files, shared documents, and folders can be searched from one place. When Google Drive opens, look at the top of the page for the Search in Drive bar. This is the main tool you'll use to find files quickly, especially if you already have an idea of what you're looking for. Click into that search bar, then type in keywords related to the file you want to find. These keywords might be part of the file name, a topic inside the document, or any phrase that would help narrow the results. After entering your keywords, press enter on your keyboard. Google Drive will then show you matching results based on your search. This is the fastest way to locate files without manually browsing through folders, and it becomes especially useful if your drive contains a large number of documents. If the results are too broad, you can refine them even further using the search options icon. This gives you access to more advanced filters, so you can narrow the list and find the exact file you need. For example, you can filter by file type if you only want to see documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, images, or other specific formats. You can also filter by owner, which is helpful if you know who created or uploaded the file. Another useful filter is location. This lets you limit the search to a certain area of drive, such as My Drive, shared drives, or other sections. You can also use the date modified filter if you want to find something updated within a certain time frame. And importantly for this topic, you can use the shared status filter to help identify files based on how they've been shared. As you apply these filters, your results become more targeted and easier to review. This can save you a lot of time and reduce confusion, especially when file names are similar or when multiple versions of a document exist. The key takeaway is that Google Drive's built-in search tools are powerful, flexible, and easy to use once you know where to look. Start with keywords, then use the available filters to narrow your results by type, owner, location, date, modified, and shared status. That's how to search for files in Google Drive more effectively and identify publicly accessible content using the search tools already built into the platform.